Hi there, and welcome to Stock Sync. You can update or add Publish to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select Published from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the Published field settings, you can choose to enter the Publish Value Indicator and the Unpublished Value Indicator. This feature allows you to specify your own indicator from the feed file. For example, your file could be using Show or Hide as the Publish indicator. By default, the indicators will use True and False as the values. You can use any value according to your feed file. Replace the value here as your feed file, which is Show and Hide. Lastly, you can choose to force unpublished product when quantity is still available. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.